Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some paprika chicken wings in the air fryer. These wings are gorgeous and so crispy. Let's jump right in. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also, like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy air fryer recipes every week. Also, make sure to check out my air fryer playlist. I've put together for you more than 40 recipes and tips. Let's jump right in. So we're going to start first by washing our chicken wings. I just have it in this bowl of water right here, and over here I have some pure white vinegar. I'm just going to pour some in the wings. I do wash my chickens, my fish, or my proteins with vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice. So it's very important that you really wash them down properly. I'll leave it in here for about 5 minutes so that it can really extract most of the, those good stuff we don't need, right? And then I'll come back and rinse it properly until the water is clear, and then we'll move to the next step. Our wings have been washed and I just lined them on my cutting board. What I did was I put some paper towel at the bottom of it, and then I'm using another paper towel. I'm just going to dry the wings thoroughly. You want to make sure that you do this step always when you're putting in any protein in the air fryer because it's going to help with the crispness. So our chicken wings have been washed properly and dried, and now we are going to season them. So I have right here some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to pour a little bit of it on the wings just so it can help make the wings crisp up nicely and also help with the seasoning to adhere to the wings. And over here I have the seasonings that we are going to be using. So we have here some paprika, we have some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I have some cayenne pepper just so it can give it some kick. If you don't want it totally, you can leave it out. I have some salt, some chicken bouillon seasoning, and also some ginger powder. I'm just going to go ahead and I'll mix everything up to combine properly. Please also make sure to check the description box down below. I'm going to link all the ingredients alongside the measurements for you. Okay, so everything has been mixed properly. I'm just going to go ahead and I'll pour it on our chicken. I always like to go bold on my seasoning. I really love when my chicken, my proteins, they get well seasoned. And I'll mix everything up to combine properly. Okay, just like so. So this has been properly mixed up properly. I'm just going to transfer it into the air fryer basket. I'm not going to oil my basket just because the wings are already oily. Properly arranged in the basket. I'll just go ahead and I'll transfer it. I'll put it in the air fryer. I have a chicken preset button. It's 380 for 25 minutes. We are going to check after 15 minutes to see how our wings are doing. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. The wings have been air frying for 15 minutes. I'm just going to pull them out so we can check and also flip them over. This is how they are looking. They look so gorgeous. I'll just go in with my silicone spoon and I'll try to flip them over. Okay. The wings have been flipped over. I'm just going to toss them back in. And I'll let them cook for the remainder of the 10 minutes, and I'll see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, let's check. I'm going to have to flip them over and I'll toss them back into the air fryer because at this point I just want them to crisp up again nicely. Now if you do want to serve your wings like this, totally fine, they're all ready. I just want them to be a little bit more crispy. Been flipped. I'll just toss them back in for another 400 degrees for 5 more minutes, just so they can crisp up nicely. And I'll see you in 5 minutes. Let's check our wings. Can you hear that whistle? This smells so good. I hope you really get to try this recipe out soon. You'll love it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, and thank you to everyone that has already subscribed. Make sure to turn on that notification bell because I do upload healthy air fryer recipes every week. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to stay healthy, be well. Thank you. Bye.